President Trump is thinking about issuing a brand new travel ban after the court rejected the current ban. He's also not ruling out a Supreme Court challenge. Let's bring in Ariane de Vogue, CNN Supreme Court reporter, and Paulina Vera, immigration attorney at the Immigration Clinic at George Washington University Law School. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Ariane, I want to start with you. So after the decision came down from the appellate court on the Ninth Circuit, immediately the president tweeted out, all caps, see you in court. Now they're retreating from that, saying at least not immediately.
Right. Well, the Trump administration's in a huddle right now trying to figure out the next steps after that sweeping loss. The Ninth Circuit, you remember, declined to reinstate the travel ban. And here's what the court said. One of the main things is you didn't justify the need to reinstate that ban. You could have given us national security information, and you didn't. So now the administration has several options. It can go back to the Ninth Circuit and ask for a larger panel of judges to look at that. That would basically be saying, your three colleagues got it wrong. We want a larger group of judges to look at this. Or it could go to the Supreme Court, but there it might face this 4-4 split, which would mean that it would simply uphold the Ninth Circuit. It could go to the district court again and bolster its case, or it could do what Trump kind of floated yesterday, and that is rewrite or modify the existing executive order.
So, Paulina, is there anything, if the White House indeed and the president signs an executive order next week, another one about immigration of the ilk of the one we saw on the 27th, is there anything in that that would satisfy you or people who protested the last one, or is any ban something that would cause the protest we saw and maybe the legal fight we're seeing now?
You know, I don't know that there is. I think that the travel ban could be rewritten to address some of the concerns of the Ninth Circuit, for example, the inclusion of lawful permanent residents. However, I don't know that how a rewrite would get to these establishment clause or these equal protection concerns that were raised. The matter is that there is ill intent behind these travel bans. There's plenty of evidence proving this, statements from the campaign trail, as well as interviews that were done with Trump after the ban was enacted, and tweets to that effect. So even if a rewrite on its face didn't necessarily ban Muslims, I think that there is circumstantial evidence out there that could prove this.
All right, so Ariane, you're the SCOTUS reporter. How is this fight over the travel ban and the executive orders impacting potentially the Gorsuch nomination to the court?
Well, it's interesting because Trump has chosen to litigate a little bit through his tweets. And one thing he's done is he's attacked some of the judges that have heard the case. Today he sent out another tweet sort of trying to make the case about national security. And that doesn't make life easier for Gorsuch, who right now is going through this grueling ritual of meeting with senators. And behind closed doors, he's being asked, you know, what do you think about the fact that Trump seems to be attacking lawyers? In some ways, it also hurts Trump's Department of Justice lawyers themselves, who are having to appear before these federal judges. So it's an interesting tack that Trump is taking.
All right, Ariane, Paulina, thank you both.
Thank you.
Christy?
All righty, Rosie O'Donnell's Twitter avatar, oh my goodness, sent SNL fans into